Good morning again, Chargers. Hey, it's Mr. Pasquini here, and I am going to show you how to check your scores, check your points in 5-star. So we come right up here. This is available both on our website or on the Schoology page is 5starstudents.com/greenacres. You'll see our logo, so you know you're in the right place. Now, to see where you can go to check your points, click over here to sign in. And I just made myself an account, so you put in your 6-digit ID number, whatever that is that you normally use for, since you've been at school. You click OK, and then you can see how many points you've earned. Now, right now, since I just built this account, I haven't earned any points. Sadness for me. But you'll be able to check your points, see how you go and how you grow. And as you get more points, we will make the store available. And you'll be able to purchase things in the store. And as you saw on the home page, those things that might include wristbands, hot Cheetos, Gatorade, Arizonas. You could even save up all of your points for a free yearbook. Good stuff happening. And if you are interested in something else to be on this list and it's not here, please let me know and we can look at possibly purchasing that for you. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.